Struggling to lose stubborn belly fat? Feeling stressed and tired of intense workouts? You're not alone. Today, I'll show you a simple, beginner-friendly yoga routine that melts belly fat, tones your body, and relaxes your mind, all from the comfort of your home. Hi, in this quick yoga session, you'll discover gentle yet effective poses to target belly fat and kickstart your weight loss journey. Let's begin. Pose 1, Cat-Cow Stretch, 5 breaths. Start with the cat-cow stretch. It improves digestion and warms up your core. Pose 2, Downward Dog, 5 breaths. Move into Downward Dog. It strengthens arms and core while burning calories. Pose 3, Warrior Eye, 5 breaths each side. Next, Warrior Eye. This powerful pose engages your abs and legs, perfect for weight loss. Pose 4, Boat Pose, hold 10 to 15 seconds. Now, Boat Pose. Feel your core working hard to flatten that belly. Pose 5, Bridge Pose, hold 5 breaths. Finally, Bridge Pose to tone your glutes and relax the lower back. Great job! Practice this short flow 4 to 5 times a week and pair it with mindful breathing to see real results. Remember, consistency is key. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more beginner-friendly yoga videos, and comment below. I'm ready for my yoga weight loss journey. See you next time.